I can't wait to get away. Me pulling in the fish and you pulling another assignment, Inspector.
But won't we be a bit crowded in that small boat, sir?
No, because you'll be 4,000 miles away, bringing back the only witness to a $50 million diamond robbery. Pick him up in New York and return him safely to California.
But it is a pity, no? I am a master fisherman who can land the big one even with my eyes closed. Yes, I will miss him too, my pink rookie. Strange, he left without saying goodbye. We have arrived for the witness.
Nobody's here. Not even me. This is a recording. A beep.
Oh, in that case, we shall return tomorrow.
That beep sounded phony to me.
Rookie, that beep sounded funny to me. Stand back. I shall karate chop the door.
Oh, please, boss baby. Can I do it now? Can I?
Yes, Lisa. Since there's no good witness like a dead witness, you may do it.
There's no sign of the witness, Inspector.
He must be here.
Well, I'm not. So beat it.
Aha! He is in the bedroom. Mind you, a teensy-weensy bedroom. Rookie, take note. I am thoroughly searching this strange little bedroom, and have found nothing. Let's go.
Your head, Inspector.
And now it is my head, you ridiculous rookie. I am looking for the witness.
Forget it. I'm not going outside.
He is closer than I think. He can run, but he cannot hide.
I was hiding just fine until you two barged in. Those diamond crooks are out to get me.
But you are merely a parrot. They are looking for a witness to a dastardly crime.
Inspector, the parrot is the witness.
Rookie, the parrot is the witness.
Delivery!
It's the old pizza man at the door trick. I'm dead.
Kentucky Farms chicken, baby.
Yes, you are dead wrong, my panicky little Polly.
Oh, that could have been me. I'm getting out of here. And now. Oh.
He says he has a bun. Deliveries are made at the door, my good fellow. Come around.
I think this one should be made at the window.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Keep your thanks, my fan-feathered witness. Justice is our only reward. California, here we come. The commissioner will be pleased, no? Huh?
Now you won't get me!
Give up, birds. There's no escape from in there. So much for your witless witness.
My career ruined! That ungrateful four-flusher!
Huh? Say, Inspector, check out the view.
Oh, great! Here comes the flying Melendez!
Polly! 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 Want a cracker? You are safe again! Secure in the arms of the law!
Not so fast, Inspector. Weasel, fetch.
Wait a minute, baby. Wait a second, baby.
Take note, rookie! An officer of the law is always prepared! Geronimo! My keen sense of direction will find a safe passage to Southern California.
Say, Inspector, how about, this route?
Rookie, I have found just the right route.
Hey, guys, how about I fly ahead and meet you at the bottom of the canyon?
No way, pal. We started together, we finished together. Right, Inspector?
I can tell by your face you are surprised by my marvelous disguise. If those gangsters appear again, they will mistake me for the witness and capture him, that is me, et voila! I will have saved the day. Has no taste for French food.
Inspector, our witness is gone! Good thing this is molting season.
Now we will find our fine feathered friend.
At this rate, all we'll find is a naked parrot.
Yippee-doo!
Once again, you are saved, my near-naked Polly friend.
Those must be the diamonds from the robbery.
I knew all along where those crooks stashed the stones, and now, they're mine! All mine!
You are wrong, Stoolie. Not all. In fact, not
Wait a
any.
second, baby.
Rookie, has your brain lost its mind?
Wait a second, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, hey.
I taught him that trick.
That's how it's going.
I think we can. That was exhilarating, no? Not again!
Inspector, you're supposed to be delivering a witness.
And so we have, Commissioner.
Airmail.
Hey, come back here with my hooks.
Like I said, Commissioner, I, the inspector, am a master fisherman.
Huh?